Hello, guys. Welcome to the afternoon session. I'm running Rastan Gayap, and today is Monday. So nice meeting you all again. Let's talk about forex. Let's talk about the market. Let's talk about the opportunities that the market is bringing for us this week. Like, share, comment, invite others to join us. Just give me 1 or 2 minutes to invite others to join the program before we kickstart. Within the meantime, please do not forget to hit on the like button, on the share button, and do comment in the comment section from which part of Cameroon you are watching me from. If you are watching me all the way from Cameroon, let me know in the comment section. If you are watching me out of Cameroon, let me know in the comment section. Let's look at the market and look at exactly what is happening to the market and see how we can take advantage of the market this afternoon. Like, share, comment as I invite others to join us. Thank you. Like, share, comment, invite others to join us. Good afternoon, Christian. I hope you're doing good. I want to do class here. Like, share, comment, and invite others to join us. We are going to kickstart this program immediately. We have 20 persons connected. Good afternoon, Geoffrey. Good afternoon to all those watching all the way from Cameroon. Please like, share, comment, and invite others to join us, please. So, my best question for today is how have how is the London session going? I know a lot of people actually started the London session today, and also they are already into the New York session. And what has been the experience since morning for you, and what are your expectations before the end of the day? I hope you having a profitable day wherever you are. As for me, I am having a good day. So far, I have closed my trades for the day, and I actually made at least 100% of my initial capital. Now, what about you? What about you watching? I hope things are moving well for you. If you are still an aspiring trader, I hope that from this program you are going to learn a lot and you'll be able to implement everything you are learning here for your own benefit. We are going to be looking at a couple of pairs this afternoon, and it will just be a rundown of the entire market. Hello, Simon, watching all the way from Yaoundé. Hi, Divine, watching all the way from Babaju. Oh, from Babaju is very interesting. Hi, Fidel. I hope you're doing good. I hope you're excellent today. And hello, everyone. Watching all the way from Douala. Okay. So, hi, Clinton. Watching all the way from Yaoundé. So, as I told you guys, once we hit 20% connected, I'm going to be kickstarting the live. I need 20% to connect. Like, share, comment, and invite others to join. Okay, 20% connected. Time for us to move. So, guys, we saw a very beautiful start of the day with a very bearish gold. As gold actually sold, I remained still positive for my main market direction, even though we had a pullback. And before we kickstart this live, I would like to explain to you something very important. En français, on va appeler ça un schéma. Ça veut dire que quoi? Pour pouvoir exécuter tes ordres, il faut suivre un schéma. For you to be able to execute your trade, you must be able to follow a pattern. And this pattern stipulates in three ideology. We have one, the idea of the trade. So if I assume here that gold is going to go to, let's assume gold is here on this red zone. If I assume that gold is going to rally to the other gray zone above, this concept, c'est le concept, c'est l'idée, ce n'est pas un signal. Si je stipule that gold is going to rise to that resistance, then I am clearly telling you that this is a trade idea. When your trade idea is materialized, it becomes a trade signal. It means if market comes from here, meet this gray zone, ce n'est plus l'idée, ça devient un signal. Et un signal devient un trade. A signal becomes a trade once the signal is validated. So if I say that this is my signal and I want to sell the market here, once my signal is generated, I need to get a confirmation to a trade in the direction of the signal. Because you cannot tell me this is a buy signal and at the end of the day, the market sells. You cannot tell me this is a sell signal and at the end of the day, the market buys. A signal means, right, a directive. That means you confirm a directive to do something. I have a signal, a sign, an indicator that is telling me to buy or to sell. So if I have a signal, then most of the time, signals should be pretty correct. But in a signal, you need to identify a trade. So let's assume the market meet this gray zone. Then it has to consolidate here, have a pullback, and then in this signal, I see a change in market structure. Then I get a pullback to a POI. I will then say I have seen an opportunity to partake in the signal. And in that regard, the signal becomes a trade. So a lot of people confuses trade ideas with signals. We are not magicians and we will never be magicians. We should be practical traders and not photocopiers of what I don't know. It means that if I were to trade today, I gave my trade idea on gold this morning and gold was consolidating. My trade idea, my first trade idea was that gold was to consolidate and break to the upside. If this trade idea was validated, because I am in a continuation of this huge consolidation, If this trade idea is validated, it means market is going to break to the upside. I have a confirmation. Then I look for a pullback and buy gold. That is